Nice and lovely. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing. Well, anyway, today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely drinks, which is gonna be blackberry and mango. Really nice ideas, nice recipes. Summer time now, guys. The time gonna get hot. I mean, you need to do something really nice in this summer. So hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. And also we can put some strawberry also inside of it. That's a wonderful recipe, wonderful ideas, and ideas Chef Ricardo like to share. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So come back, guys. I'm gonna show you. So first of all, we're gonna put some mangoes. I just peeled one mango, and this is the way the mango look. So basically, I'm just putting it straight inside of it like this, and also a little bit of honey. Not too much honey, just a little pinch, and a pinch of water. Cover it and blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. All right. Nice and lovely. So that's finished. The next is to pour straight inside of this glass. All right. After you pour it straight inside of a glass, get your smoothie blender and simply wash it out. That's the mango first. Nice and lovely. Then after you do that, simple. Put the glass aside and get some blackberry. Pour it straight inside of it. You can get blackberry anywhere if you buy at local shop, supermarket. That's the only thing I like about blackberry. You can get it to buy anywhere at the local shop or supermarket. As you can see what I'm doing right here. The blackberry, it do come out a little bit reddish sometime when you're blending it, but I know it'll be fine. Oh. Nice and lovely. And just squeeze a little bit of honey. And simple, leave it. Just don't put any water because you want to get thick. Same way. And blend this about 2 seconds. Nice and lovely. That's finished. So when you finish that one, pour this straight inside of it like this. Nice one. And after you do that, rinse out your container, which you just make your nice, lovely blueberry in. So next is get a few more mango, just like that, and just like that. And simple, you don't need to put any honey in it or any water, and just blend it. Nice and lovely. So that's finished. Get it, and simple, pour it on top of it like this. As you can see, exactly nice. So basically I just blend some strawberry and put on the top of it. So it's gonna be mango, blackberry, mango, and strawberry on top. Very easy and simple recipe. Wish you guys can do this at home. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. So hopefully we can come with better in the future. And thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye-bye.